Mint leaves are more than just a modest garnish. They offer a broad range of health benefits. Incorporating these aromatic leaves into your daily diet can soothe digestive issues, help manage blood sugar, relieve cold symptoms, and much more. Today, we'll explore the top benefits of mint leaves and how to use them. Benefits of mint leaves. Number 10, aiding digestion. Digestive discomfort, such as bloating or indigestion, can be quite distressing. Mint leaves have been valued for centuries as a natural remedy to alleviate these digestive issues. The key component, menthol, helps to soothe and relax the muscles within the digestive tract, making it easier for the body to process food. This relaxation promotes the flow of bile, which is essential for digestion and breaking down fats. To benefit from mint's digestive properties, steep fresh mint leaves in hot water for about 5 to 6 minutes. This creates a soothing mint tea that can be enjoyed warm, helping to ease digestive discomfort naturally. Including mint tea in your daily routine can provide ongoing support for your digestive health. Number 9. Enhancing respiratory health. Difficulty breathing, often caused by colds or allergies, can disrupt daily life. Mint, particularly peppermint, is frequently used in over-the-counter remedies for cold and flu due to its potent effects. The menthol in mint provides a cooling sensation and helps to open up the airways, making breathing easier. This is achieved by activating receptors in the respiratory system that help relax the muscles and reduce congestion. To utilize mint for respiratory relief, place fresh mint leaves or a few drops of peppermint oil in a bowl of hot water. Gently inhale the steam to clear your airways and breathe easier. This simple method can provide significant relief from respiratory discomfort. Number 8. Boosting mental clarity. If you are feeling stressed and lack mental clarity, mint can be an effective natural remedy. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, which has been shown to boost GABA levels in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and focus, enhancing mental clarity and reducing stress. Drinking peppermint tea in the morning can help wake you up and improve your alertness and cognitive function. For a refreshing and brain-boosting drink, muddle fresh mint leaves, add lemon juice, and mix with cold water. This drink not only tastes great, but also helps to clear your mind and enhance your mental performance throughout the day. Number 7. Supporting weight loss. Struggling with weight loss can be frustrating, but incorporating mint into your diet may help manage your appetite and support weight loss efforts. Mint smoothies are an excellent option for this purpose. Blend mint leaves with mixed berries, Greek yogurt, and stevia to create a delicious and healthy drink. This smoothie helps to release bile from your gallbladder, which is essential for digesting fats and detoxifying your system. Additionally, mint acts as an adaptogen, reducing stress and cortisol levels, which can promote faster weight loss. Enjoy this mint smoothie in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. Number 6. Boosting immunity. Mint, especially spearmint, is rich in carvone, a compound with powerful antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Adding spearmint to your diet can significantly strengthen your immune system by enhancing the activity of immune cells, such as neutrophils and monocytes. These cells play a crucial role in fighting off infections and diseases. You can include spearmint in your meals by adding it to salads or using it as a garnish. This not only enhances the flavor of your food, but also provides a natural boost to your immunity, helping you stay healthier and more resilient against common illnesses. Number 5. Promoting oral health. Maintaining oral hygiene is essential for overall health, and mint can play a significant role in this. Spearmint, in particular, is commonly used in toothpastes and mouthwashes due to its ability to fight bacteria and freshen breath. Chewing on a few spearmint leaves or incorporating them into homemade toothpaste can help prevent plaque buildup and maintain healthy gums and teeth. Mixing crushed mint leaves with your regular toothpaste can enhance its cleaning power and provide additional protection against oral health issues. This simple addition to your oral care routine can lead to fresher breath and a healthier mouth. Number 4. Alleviating joint pain. Joint pain and inflammation can be debilitating, but mint oil offers a natural remedy to alleviate these symptoms. Mixing peppermint oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil creates a soothing balm that can be applied to aching joints, sprains, or muscle cramps. The menthol in mint oil activates cooling receptors in the skin, providing a gentle tingling sensation that helps to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. This remedy has been used for generations to ease arthritis pain and sports injuries. Always test the mixture on a small patch of skin first to ensure you do not have a sensitivity to the oils. Number 3. Making mint sauce. Enhancing meal flavors with mint sauce is a delightful way to enjoy the benefits of mint. This classic British condiment pairs wonderfully with lamb and other meats. To make mint sauce, finely chop mint leaves and place them in a small jug or cup. Add a teaspoon of boiling water to release the oils. Then fill the jug with malt vinegar or sherry vinegar. Add a pinch of sugar or stevia to balance the flavors. This fresh mint sauce can elevate the taste of your dishes, adding a refreshing and aromatic touch that complements a variety of meals. Number 2. Enhancing skin health. Skin issues like acne can be effectively managed with mint, which can be used as a natural skin toner. Steep a handful of mint leaves in hot water. Allow the mixture to cool, then strain and store it in a spray bottle. This mint toner can be applied to the skin using a cotton pad after cleansing your face, helping to clear up acne and reduce pore size. The salicylic acid in mint leaves works to eliminate bacteria and prevent breakouts. Using this toner regularly can lead to clearer, healthier skin and a more even complexion. Number 1. Uplifting mood. Feeling low or anxious can impact your quality of life, but the aroma of mint can help uplift your mood and reduce anxiety. Adding mint leaves and peppermint oil to a bowl of hot water and inhaling the steam can create a calming atmosphere. Alternatively, using an oil diffuser can spread the refreshing scent of mint throughout your room. The terpenes in mint help to soothe anxiety, ease nervousness, and promote relaxation. Another option is to tie a bunch of fresh mint stalks and leaves in your shower, allowing the steam to release the minty aroma and turn your daily routine into a therapeutic experience. Incorporating mint leaves into your daily routine offers numerous health benefits, from aiding digestion to enhancing skin health and uplifting your mood. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment for more health and wellness tips.